nwayọọ, 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 gently, slowly, or easy. It can also mean calm, depending on the context. Nwayọọ. Can you say that? Well done. Nwayọọ. Were ya nwayọọ. Were ya nwayọọ. Were ya nwayọọ. Take it easy. Jiri nwayọọ na-aga. Jiri nwayọọ na-aga. Move slowly. Jiri nwayọọ na-aga. You can also say na-aga nwayọọ nwayọọ. That's walk slowly or move slowly.